Hey, good morning. Mark Watts here, out here on Mobile Bay again. I wanted to talk to you today about some of the deadly sins of nature photography. And Lord knows I've committed some sins. So yeah, I've even dropped cameras in the water. But that's not one of them. These are pretty common, and probably every one of you has done it at one time or another. Anybody who's been out a while has. And that's number one, you leave the house and you don't have a spare battery. You need to have a battery. They're cheap, really, as far as cameras go. And I put a date on them too, so I kind of know when I got them and how long I've had them. So that's sin number one. Keep a spare battery with you. Sin number two has to do with your memory card. I can't tell you how many times I've left the house, gone to Dolphin Island, get out of my truck, go out in the woods or the beach, draw up on the bird, and the first thing that happens is flashing light. No memory card. It got to the point where I started carrying memory card in my wallet, or I put one in the truck, and also in this shoulder strap. It's got a pocket. I can put a memory card. So I carry a couple of memory cards with me because they could fail. You could run out of room, or like me, you just don't put it in. So that's my two main sins, and there is many more. And thank y'all for watching. You can find me on Facebook under Waterline Photos, or Instagram under Bayou Runner, or hashtag Waterline Photos. We appreciate all the likes and the comments. Y'all have a great day.